Veve game, as you just saw in the previous video. The science is scary.
Okay, so let's just get started into the video.
Yeah, no more talking. I haven't even barely talked though. We almost gone, and y'all, let me tell y'all something. Today, this was still on the floor, and we did not even know.
Yes,
We just came in. We just almost our whole glue. We just came in the kitchen, and it was a big old block of glue in the middle of the floor, like in the middle of the way of the closet. Yeah, our pantry. Y'all, like it. That was just crazy. She dropping stuff in our. So now let's get started. First, alright, now
heads up if y'all think we should use water.
I'm not using water. Alright, so now, no, girl, you're supposed to add this first. Now I'm going to use my Tresemme.
I'm going to use my cream of natural mango and shea butter. Let me say it myself. Shea butter, natural moisturizing shampoo for dry hair.
Alright, let's go.
When she goes, when your daughter goes to school, she's gonna be on something different. Please don't think that. You sound crazy.
So y'all can see my Tresemme is foamy because it's
Y'all
right
can
here.
see mine look like a little bit of gold.
Go, go, go. Go big.
That's it.
That do look like gold, and this just splashed on me. So I'm going to start mixing.
1, 2. You put your oh yeah, you just did.
I think I'm going to need some more glue. Because this is not fluffy slime. Need more glue, y'all. So, bud, stay with me. She going to need more glue, too.
No, I just need more glue, so I just need more glue.
So she just need more glue.
Just add more glue.
Just add more glue. Just add more glue. Just add more glue. Hers kind of look like golden slime.
Yeah.
Like gold slime if y'all white.
She's trying to make
fluffy foam slime, I guess.
But it's not working out for me, really.
Because she used shampoo.
No.
Yeah, I got my fluffy slime going on. Got my fluffy.
So mine's not like working out because shampoo is like.
It's not foam.
No, it's just
we might
silky.
change the name, y'all, to Fluffy Slime and Original Golden Slime. So
it's getting slime.
Y'all, so add more shampoo so it can look golden. Mine's fluffy, all I know. I ain't have to add no more than glue in our solution.
So, come on, y'all. If y'all have some mousse, y'all can use that as y'all shaving cream stuff.
Yeah, because our shaving cream, I think it got old or something. It looked old and stuff, so we didn't want to use that. So I just did mousse for my braids because it goes on my braids. Oops, got a piece of hair, and you don't want a piece of hair in your stuff.
Probably because this is the last bit of gold stuff I'm gonna use.
Ooh, look at her, y'all. Mine's is
not
really
golden.
fluffy slime.
It's not golden, y'all. But it'll be okay.
We might get some golden polish, and she might add.
Oh, it smells good.
Oh my gosh, my smell like the hair stuff. It smells so good. But it smells like a mixture of glue.
I think something just went in my mouth. For real. We take risks for our subscribers. Whatever y'all want to say, comment in the below section.
Yeah, whatever y'all want us to do, comment in the
Y'all know our slime videos go be fast. All these other people be taking about 12 to 10 minutes. What y'all need 12 to 10 minutes for? It's just some darn slime.
Nothing more than, some people be using 20 minutes for slime. Like y'all, if y'all can see the commercial, all them children did is add amethyst glue, add this.
Baking soda, add ice solution, or food coloring.
Yeah.
Or if you want
and
paint,
then
just
mix.
add paint and then mix it. But all of y'all want to do that.
Extra, let's do this.
Shaving cream and all that stuff. But that's y'all.
Well, shaving cream do go for fluffy slime,
but that's y'all decision. So I'm not about to blame y'all. Because I might do that one day. So I'm just saying. That's what I see all the time. So my cousin Janaya talked about something. So when we went to school,
Janaya, if you watching this video, this Malia, I ain't say nothing about you.
No, no, she had the shampoo slime, and I just decided to make some. I said I was gonna make some shampoo slime then. But hers was not even slime. I told her that's not the slime, but
look at your hands. Look at my hands. Look at my hands compared to those hands.
Cause it's shampoo.
And my shape of the girl, mine could have got all over my hands.
Well, I'm playing
so
with
y'all,
mine.
Our video is about to end, and we're gonna let this sit a while, and then we're gonna play with it. So goodbye. That was all the videos for today. Hope y'all had a nice day. They gang. Make sure y'all go subscribe to Lee Gang.
Dab on 'em.